Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel and another scam we talk about today. That is something that I see quite regularly, and that scam is all about a browser page that actually pops up. It usually is in some web pages that are unsecured. Sometimes, I've seen this happen actually on legitimate websites that actually have good content. But unfortunately, people have left the website unprotected for a while and didn't update anything or update the passwords and so on. So it could be on a good page, but most of the time this happens on less or like more shady pages like, porn sites and download sites of illegal stuff or weird sites from, different places that you might actually end up by searching on the web. But one of the things that it does is actually kind of frees up your browser, and you actually have a page that says, and sometimes it has a voice. So sometimes there's a voice going to say, hey, your system is infected, please call now, the blah, blah, blah. Or sometimes it's just a pop up. Now, this is not an infection, but it's a clever way for bad guys to have you thinking you might be infected. So, in general, when this happens, and here's this example is with a fake tech support page from Microsoft, but there's also tons of other things that might be happening. This is Microsoft. It could be from, Google. It could be from other well-known companies. The thing is, they're trying to scare you into clicking and calling a number or clicking a link, and basically what's going to happen is you're going to end up in some tech support scammers somewhere, and basically they'll ask you to give access to your PC and say that, oh, you're infected and you got tons of problems, and now that you got to pay after that to get your PC back. These are tech support scams. Tell everybody that you never ever call a phone number that appears like this on the page, ever do anything or click any links when this happens. You know what you do? You just shut down your PC and restart. And how you do that, you have several options. Because depending on how it's done, often it's just the browser. That means what you could do is just press the Windows key on your keyboard, and this is going to bring the start menu. And from the start menu, of course, you can go and click the button to shut down or restart your PC. And you'll notice that once you do that, actually, things are back to normal after you've done that. It might tell you that the browser has left the page. If you do so, just don't, just say, no, I don't want to go back to that page anymore. This is one way. Sometimes it might be a little more, there's a few of them that have this trick that kind of prevents you to see whatever is happening on your computer, get the start menu to shut down and stuff like that. If that is the case, what you'll want to do is simply go and press the power button. The power button is that button that you actually press when you actually start your PC. Press that button and hold it. Hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. And this will, of course, have you basically force shut down the PC, basically. And then you can restart. And things should be back to normal after restart. So this is a scam, but you're not infected. It's very important to notice, because most people that actually get to this page think that they've been infected. And one other type of scam that looks like this is a scam that says, oh, you did some bad things on your PC. We're the cops, the police, whatever police in your area. It could be the FBI or whatever, and they're going to say, okay, you did some bad things, but hey, if you click here and give us $200, we're going to forget about it, and you'll be okay. Once again, that also is a scam that's very popular. Never fall for any of these scams. Never call any of these numbers, and never, ever click any links, because these are scammers, and that's it. And no, your PC is not infected. Once you restart your computer, you'll notice that everything's back to normal. So share this information. Too many people are still getting caught, and too many people are actually giving losing money over this. And we're in 2019. These are scams that have been going on for a while. Still, too many people are getting caught. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.